Asadi Dokubo don crash with Ndigbo again in live stream. This man, we no know wetin e dey find for where Igbo people dey o. My people, I go play you the video. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. I'm going to try to play this video, make you watch and hear wetin Asadi Dokubo talk. Just watch am from beginning to end.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are listening to me. Where I am is afternoon. I'm in Yewu, one of the most Muslim-friendly cities in China. This is 1:29. I've been here for close to a month now in China. You'll be looking at my beard. Yes, something tragic happened. Something very tragic happened, you know. My beard is something that I don't play with. It's my identity. And I don't keep my hair for more than 2 weeks. So I wanted to barb. One of my friends used my hair to learn how to barb. And in doing that, he spoiled my beard. He odoko some things out here. Odoko, literally odoko some things out of there. There were some, when he was barbing, he hit all into this area. So yesterday I had to go to a professional barber to do this. So I'm looking funny. I've not been looking like this for a very long time. I'm looking like a fish out of water. Looking very funny. So yes, I tell you, that's why I see myself, doctor. That's how I see myself. Ibinabo, I'm seeing you. Kelvin, I'm seeing you. So yesterday, everybody was laughing. In fact, my wife said they will not allow me pass through the airport because I'm looking different. I'm looking different from the person in my passport. When we reach that bridge, we'll cross it. But I'm really looking funny. You've been able to run dancing, bro. I'm really looking funny. My $1 billion beard. And my birthday is just a few days away, 60th birthday, 1st of June. And then now I'm looking different. You know, the pictures will not go well. But whatever happens is God. God knows. He decides the affairs of men. I believe that strongly. Now, I thank God. It pained me, and I have spoken and spoken. I cannot hide my feeling. It's not that I don't have access to the president. I have access to the president. In fact, even in China, I have access to those who have access to him. But we have to put on record certain things that are happening. And that's why we talk. See, there's nothing anybody can do for me to leave Ndigbo. First, I did not support Ndigbo like I said from the beginning because he will give me anything. I am not appointable. I don't want any appointment. I'm living big. At 60, I'm living big. I go to anywhere I want to go to. I send my children anywhere I want to send them. This is all because Allah has shown me more favor than he has shown to other people. And in most cases, I don't even merit these favors. I don't merit them. So many people have died before me. And I'm still alive. And every time I keep on wondering, why has Allah shown me so much favor? Many people have given prophecies that I'm going to die today, I'm going to die tomorrow. Their prophecy had come to naught. Because these prophecies were not from God and they will never come from God. Igbos had broken their head because I was on a wheelchair. And what is wrong with wheelchair? Why this mentality of people? Look at me. You are looking at me now. I'm standing. I'm even looking better. But if I travel, I'm 60 years old. How many people? Those who are Christians, the Bible says 70. 70. I have attained 70. All the years of a man's life, is it not 70 years? So why will I not give thanks? I have all the best things of life. I have children, I have wives, I have properties. I've never been convicted. So why will I not give thanks to God? Why will I not? I have thousands and thousands and thousands of friends and well-wishers who are always with me. Why will I not give thanks? Now, you Igbo, you don't come on. When I go lash out at you, you go claim the victim. Oh. You go show the victim side of you. Oh. Me, my mouth no good, oh, my hand no good. Igbo man, they call me thief. Igbo man. How ironic. Igbo man go call another person thief. Onyochi. Igbo man go call another person thief. Onyochi. Igbo man. Igbo man wey DNA na thief. Me wey don't escape, enter a job. Say my DNA 50% or don't come out. You will be 100% Igbo wey your DNA na thief. They call me thief. For this world, who thief pass Igbo people? For the whole world. Oh, Igbo man, they call me thief. How ironic. I feel jump. See me now. Jump. The thing is that the position of my this, no good. Go call your father will be 60 years old, man. Then come jump like me. Or run. So that is it. But no problem. I'm not going to bother my head over you. You people have no training. You have no training. So you behave like animals that you are. You claim the victim. Oh, Asari said this one. Oh, Asari said that one. You know, nothing, no. You know, bother me. If you abuse me, I go abuse you. Because because I'm jealous. I'm very, very jealous. But that's not what I'm going to talk about. Waiting to my belly where I won't talk. My president, my uncle,